Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to screen record with sound on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just look for the option of screen recording. If you cannot find the option of screen recording in your control center, just tap and hold on the empty space in your control center, then tap on Add a Control. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just select screen recording. And after you add the screen recording shortcut to your control center, then tap on the empty space on your control center to save the changes. Now, if you tap and hold on the screen recording shortcut in your control center, you will find the option to turn on the microphone while you're screen recording. And by enabling the microphone, you will record your sound from the microphone of your iPhone while you're screen recording. Now to start screen recording, just tap on the screen recording shortcut in your control center. And once you do that, you will start screen recording on your iPhone. And if you have enabled the microphone, you will record your sound from the microphone of your iPhone. And also if you play any sound in any app on your iPhone, you will record the sound of the app. For an example, I will play some ringtones from the settings app. As you can see, I have played some ringtones. Now let's check if it have recorded our sound and the ringtone sound in the screen recording. To stop screen recording, just tap on the dynamic island, then tap on the red square icon over here. Now if you open the Photos app, you will find your screen recordings in your Photos app. And if you have enabled the microphone, you will record your sound from the microphone of your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can screen record with sound on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.